Hi there, it's Simon again with another installment of our Friday vizwik video, and today I'm going to talk about classes and the use of projects in your classes and how to bring projects you work on into your class as a template for your students to be able to extend. So here I am in the network, vizwik network, and I'm working on a project of my own outside of a class, and it's a very primitive app, obviously, hello world. But just as an example, and I want to use this to help my students understand some of the works because I'm building some curriculum and so forth. So how do I get this project into the classroom so that it becomes a template for the students to actually use? Now, the thing you do is go to your class. Okay, so you go and change the context so that you're now in the classroom. And you can see I've opened the STEM grade 10 class that I'm working with, and in there you have no projects at all. Well, there's a couple from what the students have been working on. But my project is not in there. And how do I get to do that? Well, if I go to my projects, and I can go and show all of my projects by clicking on this button down here, I can now see the ones that are not just in this classroom, but all of them. So I click on Hello World, okay, which is the one we were just working on, and I can now share this. When I share it now, if I share it to all members as a template inside of this classroom, and I click Share, it will now appear inside the classroom as one of the newest apps. And there it is. And what I've done is I've shared it as a template. So now any student can take it and click on the copy button and say I did that. And what that will do is it will now bring the app in as a new project for the students to use. And all the students can use that to do so. At some point later, when you don't want to share it anymore in the classroom, you can say, okay, everybody's got that. I can now go and click on the template and click unshare it. So I have the app does not appear, and I click update, and now it removes it from the classroom set of apps, and there it is. Now, if you just look at templates and tell the students to do that, they can also look at and filter it by template to do the same thing. So there you go. Now taking a project from your vizwik context in the social network that you're working on and made a copy by publishing it into the classroom, and the students can use it. So have fun and enjoy using vizwik.